Okay, so if you're like me, you don't like the newest version of the Capcut. Myself, I prefer the older version, and I resisted updating it since mid 2023, I believe. So I didn't update, and then all of a sudden it updated for me. So I'm going, whoa! I think, well, maybe it's something I might like. This is what it looks like, my new version right here. Okay, and this is, I'm just recording this 2025, 4th, 13th. Okay, so I want to go back to the old version. I'm just doing a quick video here so we can see what's going on. And reverting back to the old version. Okay, so let's open this up here. It's going to take a little bit. My computer's slow. Okay, it's opening up. And there it is in all its glory. Okay. A lot of things have gone to the Pro version, you know, and I don't really like this particular version, so I want to go back to the old one. Yeah, it's I think we all know why. Okay, so let's import a file here. Let's go with this one right here. And let's drag it down to where it's supposed to go, like so. Okay. And let's do an export. Let's say we want to export this thing. Okay, it's loading up. As you can see, you have all kinds of pro features there. To get the watermark off, you have to go to the Pro version. Okay. Optical flow, Pro version. So there's a lot of differences in this one here. As I said, I like the older one, which is a lot more simple. So I'll show you how to find the older version on your computer. The easy way there. So let's cancel this. And let's log out of this. Oops, you know what? Let me just do that like this. Let me get rid of this first. Delete. Confirm. And let's get out of this right here. Okay, so that's what the face of the new version looks like. As I said, I didn't update it. It updated itself somehow. The version that I have, I got 2023 February. So, anyways, let's get out of here. Now, if you have a shortcut right here, you basically right click and go to properties. Okay, and then you go to open file location like so, and it'll bring it up. Now I have I downloaded the my Capcut to an external hard drive, so it's not all on my C drive, right? So, anyways, this is the new version right here, and as I said, I never updated. 2023 is when I got this one here. 2023. Okay, so let's open up this file here. Double click. And now what you're going to look for, let's scroll, is right here. It's an application file right here. 223 kilobytes. Okay. And I'm going to double click on that baby. Okay. It's going to take a second to open up. But now, if you have it on, I believe in your C drive, you're looking for a Capcut an exe file, capcut.exe. But anyways, as you can see, there it is, the older version. And let's open it up. Let me minimize this here. Let's open this up. Okay. It's going to take a second to open up, but it will. Okay. And there it is. The old version is there. Okay. Let's import a file. Let's import this one right here. Okay, and let's bring it down like so. Okay, and let's go to export. Load up, and there it is. And you don't see it asking you to upgrade to the Pro version. So this is the old version here. Okay. So that's how it's done. Let me cancel that right there. I hope this is helpful in some way. Let me get out of this here. I'm sorry my video is a little shaky. I'm not doing a screen. I'm not doing a screen recorder or nothing. This is my phone. I figured I just toss this up really fast. Okay. And there's the old interface. So that's how it's done. Another way to do it. Let me get rid of this here. Is to go into your PC right here. Okay. Double click. Now this drive right here is where I downloaded it to. As you can see, it's quite full. It's in the red, but it's okay. I'm not putting anything else on that drive. That's an external drive that I downloaded the Capcut to. Double click on that. Let me find where I put the file of Capcut. Okay, right here, Capcut. Double click. And I go right up here where it says Capcut. Double click again. And right there, see the old file? 2023. February is when I downloaded it. Double click on that again. And search for the file here. I believe this is it right here. Okay. And double click. Like so. And there it is. Okay. Let's come out of this. Let's go back. And I want to show you the latest version. Okay, which word I do it here? Double click. And let's do the same thing. Let's go down and try and find this file. This one is 85 kilobytes. I guess that's because they removed so much from the other one was 223. So anyways, let's open it up. Click. Again, it's going to take a little bit. My computer is slow. Okay. And it's opening up. And that's the Pro version. Sorry, not the Pro version. That's the version that wants you to go to Pro. That has all the fun stuff like watermarks and some of the stuff you used to. Is now you have to pay for. Now, I like CapCut. I have to update my computer to Windows 11, and I'm going to be buying a new computer. So when I do buy a new computer, I'll probably buy and go to the Pro version. Right now I'm in Windows 10. I have an older computer, and right now I don't want to get CapCut and then have to put it on my new computer. You know what I'm saying? You know, so I'm just going to wait until I get a new computer. But I'm probably going to get CapCut because at this point too lazy to learn a new editing software. I mean, I can do it, but you know. So anyways, I really kind of hope this is helpful. And again, let's do one more time here. If you're on your desktop and you have the icon, the shortcut icon right here, okay, just right click, properties, right so, like that. And then you go to open file location, and you find the older version. And this is right here with me. And I'm going to scroll down until I find this right here, CapCut. Okay, this application right here, double click. And it should pop up any second. There it is. There's the old version. So please like and subscribe. Help this channel grow. This isn't the best video. I should have done a screen recording on this, but I'm just using my phone. But I think anyone who wants to know how this is done, they don't care how how it's shown as long as they know how it's done. Okay. So I don't make any money at this. So if you can just like, subscribe, or leave a comment, it helps the algorithm know that I exist. So thanks for watching.